Nowadays, it seems as though people are finally coming back around to physical media with subscription fees, lack of ownership. People are wanting something that they can hold in their hands and develop attachments to.
Yeah, physical media is cool and all, but which one's actually going to give you the best sound quality?
Well, that really depends on what you're looking for. Vinyl, it has that warm analog sound that a lot of audiophiles swear by, but it's not necessarily the cleanest sound.
Right, I mean, CDs might not have that nostalgic crackle, but they're digital, so you're getting a clearer, more consistent playback. No skips, no pops, just the music exactly how it was supposed to sound like.
Then you have cassettes. Lo-fi, portable, totally making a comeback, but let's be real. They're more about vibe than fidelity.
Okay, but what about SA CDs? I mean, these formats are insane, and when it comes to high res, there's nothing like it.
Yeah, they're like the hidden gems of physical media. Amazing sound quality, but kind of a pain when it comes to finding players or even the discs themselves.
So, okay, if you had to choose one format for both experience and quality, which one would it be?
Honestly, vinyl. It's not just about the sound. It's the ritual, the artwork, the liner notes, flipping the record. It makes listening an event.
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna still collect my CDs or maybe start collecting both.
At the end of the day, the best format is the one that makes you want to listen. Whether it's crisp digital or analog warmth, physical media is here to stay.